We're back out here with the E28, and we're going to do a little bit more of that sound deadening that we were talking about, hopefully early in this video. I'm going to be taking out the old foam that's sitting in there, all the disgusting stuff. I'm just going to try to set up my camera and just go at it, tearing out all this disgusting stuff that was in there before. And then I have this this Dynamat, this Kill Mat, I guess. It's an off-brand Dynamat, but this stuff that I'm going to be able to throw in my car. Eddie be here as hell. And we're continuing kind of where we set off before. Except this time I'm deciding that I'm actually going to be making a cut on the carpet right along the airbox at the bottom, so that it's removable. You can see this line right along here. That is where the trim piece sits when it's all together. So it will be covered. I'll still be able to tuck the carpet in where it needs to be. I'm not afraid of it falling out or anything, but it's really hard to pull it all out. So I'm gonna have to figure out exactly where I need to cut it to make this all possible. But it shouldn't be too big of a deal. The hardest parts are taking out all this interior stuff, and then, you know, it's just a big puzzle. So see how it goes. By the way, check out this dope ass magazine. This is from Germany, bro. This is some real cheese right here. We got this from BMW Classics in Germany, and it's some real stuff and some real like ads as well. Like if you want to buy a car, like they got full listings and stuff. Yeah, see, like right there. Bam! Rent a car, buy a car. They sold this 2002 Turbo. They don't even tell me the price. Probably expensive though. Here they go. It's recording. So yeah, like I just said about that cutting we need to do. That's like my biggest worry right now. It's like where I'm cutting this hog. I don't know anything about this. And where the carpet. Ow! Damn! And where the carpet's coming from, or what needs to be taken out. So I'm working on like untucking as much as I can. Like even back here it's all up there. Like this whole pedal thing I kind of want to remove or something. Oh! Tell me about it. This whole process sucks. Tell me about it. This piece right here is just stapled on. Might have to staple that back on or something, but I guess we'll remember that. Alright, so I'm also taking the time to take out the little mount for the accelerator pedal, which is a little annoying to take out, but it's just this, where did I put it? Little, as they say, bitch clip, as they call it. Take out the little bitch clip, and it lets this little arm right here slide out that way. Bam! And then it gives you enough to wiggle the whole thing. And then there's one more little tiny grommet up there that your accelerator pedal cable connects to. And the little grommet just pops right out of the arm. When I said pull out the grommet, I meant pull out the cable out of the grommet. Sorry about that. But this is what it looks like when you pull the thing down. And unfortunately, this grommet gets beat to crap. I don't know if it's because I pushed the pedal hard. God, focus, please. Focus. Oh my gosh, there it is. Very beat up grommet. Yeah, I've had to replace that before, and it's also fallen out before while driving, and then my pedal just becomes very, very limp. So that sucks. Yeah, but that's out. Hopefully we can take the carpet out now. Oh, so I took my blade and I made one slight cut right along there, because that's not what was broken, so that could come off, and bam, revealing more carpet. And it seems like I'm gonna have to go right under here and do another cut along there. And then we'll be golden. And we do it to the other side, and then the whole carpet comes out, and then we go, woo! Woo! Alright, the last one's kind of difficult, because this piece of the carpet wants to stay tucked up there. So you see I got this cut all the way to here, after the last cut that I just performed straight across the back there, essentially replicating the other side. This one, you just got to go from this corner straight up to the side over there, and kind of just get up as much as you can. Just took off my air duct, by the way, guys. In case you want the part number, it's 64221888070. Fucking passenger side. Fucking. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. You know, can't hold back. Can't hold. Slow down. Oh, I did that backwards. No, you know, I wish I could. And you know there ain't no rest for the wicked. Till we close our eyes for good. Alright, slice it along the back. Sneak attack on the back. Sneak attack. Hell yeah, snuck. Look at that, everything is coming together. This will come back. This will go back because I did not mean to take that out. There it is. Alright, I'm now pulling everything up. I also found it helpful to remove my shifter if you don't have a hashtag garagistic solid mount chassis mounted shifter like me. You might not be able to screw that off. But yeah, otherwise you can just remove your shifter. And or even just the knob or something, you know, to give yourself some more room. You're gonna want to tuck all the wires away. Pull that this way. Pull that this way. Aha, haha! It all comes together. The other thing necessary for the carpet removal that I did last night was removing this trim piece here. I can show you how to remove that piece. There's 2 screws right there at the bottom. Bam, 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 bam. Right up at the top, there's a 17mm bolt behind that seatbelt rest. And then there's a Phillips screw right at the top there as well. This little cap pops right off like that. And then there's 17 in Once that bad boy is out, oh, and you drop the little spacer. Oh wow, guys, it's literally moist down there. Oh my god, this is bad. Over the braking. Whoa. Bam. That is gross. Alright, look at this mess. Unfortunately, I discovered something disgusting and lame that I'm going to have to fix now. And I was just doing some little stomping at the floor here because I was trying to push down a little bit of a dent. And unfortunately, I discovered surface rust right on this drain cap. And I went and I popped it off and I discovered more surface rust. I started chiseling away at all of this rubbery coating that was put down below so we can reveal the metal underneath it. And yeah, I'm gonna start going at that and seeing how much I can take off. Ow. Oh, that hurt. Let's start vacuuming, get some of this gunk out. Thank you so much for watching me do any of this. Sorry that I'm having to cut it just a little bit short right now, but I don't have any more time to be working on this car. I'm probably going to be getting onto it maybe a little bit tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps out. It's clicks of a button for you. You don't even have to watch the videos. Just hit the subscribe because